Hey everybody, so for this video I'm going to demonstrate how to add 4/8 plus 6/8 and then simplify that into an improper fraction in simplest form or a mixed number. Okay, so when we're adding fractions together, the first thing we need to do is check to make sure that the denominators or the bottom numbers of the fraction are the same. In this case they are, and so that will be the denominator or the bottom number for our answer. When we're adding fractions together, the size of the pieces does not change, so it would stay the same. We're not going to do 8 plus 8. We're just going to keep that 8 there. You will, however, add together the numerators. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. So this is what we're going to end up with. When you take 4/8 and you add 6/8 to that, you end up with 10 over 8. So now we're looking at this and we notice that this is an improper fraction. We also notice that both 10 and 8 can be divided by 2 to be simplified. So we're going to have to simplify this and turn it into a mixed number. You can choose which one you do first. If it is easier for you to divide both of those by 2 and then turn it into a mixed number, you can do that. If it's easier to turn it into a mixed number and then simplify the fraction after that, you can do that. So in this case, I think I'm going to simplify first. So I'm going to simplify both. Since they are both even numbers, they can both be divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So even though it's simplified, it's still an improper fraction. So that means we need to use division to turn that into a mixed number. When I take the top number, which in this case is 5, I'm going to put it inside a division bracket. I'm going to take the bottom number, which is 4, and put it outside division. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide these. 4 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. And then when I subtract this, I would have 1 left over. So here's how this becomes a mixed number. The answer that you get on the top becomes the whole number. Oh, that's kind of a crooked one. Let's try that again. Becomes the whole number. The remainder down here becomes the numerator of the fraction. Then the denominator stays the same. So see how this was 4 originally? That's going to stay 4. You could also take whatever number you put on the outside here and put that as the denominator as well. So the simplified version of this answer is 1 1/4. 10 over 8 is still a correct answer. It's just not the simplified version. All right, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon.